how to look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. Before we begin, ensure your device is running iOS 18. If you're not on this version, go to Settings, select General, then Software Update to upgrade your device. Once your device is up to date, locate and open the calculator app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping down and searching for it. In the calculator app, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal bars. Tap on this icon to view your calculation history. Here, you can see a list of your recent calculations. It allows you to quickly reference any previous operations you've performed without needing to redo the math. If you want to clear your history, there will be an option to delete individual entries or clear all history. Simply follow the prompts to remove any calculations you no longer wish to keep. Once you're finished reviewing or deleting your history, tap the 3 bars icon again to return to the main calculator interface.